In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Samsung M2876ND printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Click on Open to continue. And in a while or in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. Now, in a few moments, kindly wait until a search bar would be available here. And once it's here, please type for Samsung space M2, this one, Samsung M2876ND driver. So hit the enter key and you would be redirected to this kind of window. Please proceed to the first result, click on it, and eventually you would be redirected to this window where you can see the Samsung M2876ND printer driver here in the kind of browser. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with this option where you can see driver product installation software. Click on this down arrow key and choose for basic drivers. Click on this down arrow key again and please select the print driver. Okay, you can see there are three driver and this are print driver, scan driver, and a serious print driver. So click on this print driver, click on download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, not if not yet, then download it. Now once you have downloaded it, close the window and paste it here at copy and paste it here or move it here to the desktop. And please extract the file. So you can double tap to extract it or you can simply make a right click. Okay. So click on show more options. And please use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. Okay? Or you can simply double tap to extract it as what I have said earlier. So click on it and kindly wait until it would be successfully extracted here in the Windows. Okay, so once done, you need to proceed to the start icon. Okay, from here, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once here, please navigate with Bluetooth and devices, click on it and proceed to printers and scanners and click on add device and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once good, please click on add manually and kindly wait until a new window would appear like this. Go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and choose among of this three USB port. Click on next. Go with have disk and click on browse. So from here, you need to navigate to the desktop and please scroll down and navigate to this. Double tap to it. Please select the printer. Okay, and it will show you here the river. Okay, just click on open and click on OK. And the full specify doesn't contain a compatible software, don't worry. Just click on browse again, go with the printer, and it will show up, double tap to it, and it will show you here. Okay, click on open and click on OK. So from here, it would be added here. Click on next, and you can rename that into M2876. Again, Samsung M2876ND and click on next and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once done, click on next and go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Samsung M2876ND printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.